As these articles show, the Earth is in its sixth mass extinction event. The downside is that, unlike some of the past extinction events caused by environmental factors, this one is completely led by humans. One of the articles stated that in the last 50 years, over 60% of wildlife, specifically birds, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and fish, have been wiped out. And the leading cause of this is the conversion of land for agriculture, which takes away the habitat of a lot of these animals. One example of this would be the fires in Brazil right now in the Amazon. I was talking with my husband today about this. Even though they're burning for industrial use, eventually without humans, the earth would be able to recultivate the plant life, but it needs a lot of time and it can't have any human interaction. So even though the earth can repopulate its plant population, the animals that are living in those areas right now will all be wiped out because they won't have a habitat anymore. If they're the only ones in the area, then it's very real that could contribute to this mass extinction at a pretty rapid rate. The second biggest factor is hunting, overfishing, and illegal wildlife trade. And then another big factor is the introduction of invasive species that can take over and kill other plant life or animal life. The present rate of extinction compared to other mass extinction events. So one article said that the current rate of extinction is between 100 and 1,000 times faster than a couple centuries ago, but that's the rate of extinction in general. I realize that's not compared to a mass extinction event. However, the current rate compared to previous mass extinction event rates, even though the rate can change per organism, they can measure an overall rate of extinction, and currently the rate is 45 times faster than the predicted rate of extinction for this mass extinction event that we're entering into. So pretty scary stuff, to be honest. It's pretty overwhelming, I want to say, and also causes a lot of feeling of like guilt and what do we do now, because 60% of wildlife is a huge amount, and that's just in 50 years. That's not something that can be reversed in 50 years either. So it really introduces the question, what can we do not just to stop harming, but to replace and replenish the earth?